In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average exponential indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get these indicators onto your chart so you can start using them in your trading. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process will be the same. Once your chart is up, look near the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or shown with an icon that looks like a graph. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the main Indicators panel, which is where you'll find all the tools you can add to your chart. Inside this panel, you'll see a few different tabs and categories. Next, click on the section labeled Technicals. This filters the list so you're only looking at technical indicators, which is exactly what we need for the moving average exponential. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. We're going to search for it directly. Now, look for the search bar within the Indicators window. It's usually at the top of that pop-up. Click in the search field so you can start typing. This is much faster than scrolling through a long list of tools. In the search bar, type Moving Average Exponential. As you type, TradingView will start suggesting indicators that match what you're entering. When you see Moving Average Exponential show up in the results, click on it once. As soon as you do, the EMA indicator will be added to your chart. You'll see a new line appear, usually following the price closely. That's your exponential moving average. From here, you can customize the settings by clicking on the indicator's settings icon on your chart. You can change the length, the color, and the style to match your trading plan and make it easy to read. Many traders like to add multiple EMAs with different lengths, such as a short-term and a longer-term one, to get a clearer view of trend and momentum. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll be able to follow along with all of my future tutorials using the same tools and layout. That's it for this guide on adding moving average exponential indicators on TradingView Pro.